Hey everyone, and welcome to day 1 of the 7-day core challenge. This challenge is to allow you to get stronger every day for 7 days in a row and learn new exercises for your core, but also to notice how you can start to build upon the exercises and get better and get stronger. So some of the stuff may feel really easy for you, some of it may feel really challenging. You can always repeat the video 2 to 3 times to really feel like you got a good exercise if one time through isn't enough. These are short and they're sweet. You can pair them with other workouts. You can do them as soon as you wake up, in the middle of your day, or right before you go to bed. So let's go ahead and get started on our hands and our knees with our hips stacked right over the knees and the hands over the shoulders. Take a big inhale and we're gonna reach right leg behind us. Good, and left arm forward. Find balance here. I want you to push through that back foot and then exhale, just tap the knee in and then extend. Good, tap and extend. And tap and extend. Let's do 4. Make sure that you're not dipping in the hips. Let's do 2. Keep reaching forward. Last 1, reach the arm and leg long and then exhale, gentle lifts. So you should feel that right shoulder, left hip holding you still. Those are your sling muscles, your walking muscles. And then we're gonna bring our elbow to meet our knees. So we're gonna cat the spine, so curl it in and then reach forward. Good, curl. And reach forward. Curl and reach. Good. 4. Long reach. 3. Reach. 2. Reach. Last 1. Good. Extend forward and back and then switch. So you're going to extend your right arm forward, your left arm behind you. Exhale, tap the knee, tap the fingers. Reach and extend. So you should not move to the right when your left leg is lifted. You should not move to the left when your right leg is lifted. You want to feel centered. You want to notice what is challenging about this, okay? 1 more, reach the arm out, leg back and hold, and now please offer that pulse here. Good. Up and down. We've got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, 1. We have elbow to knee, we crunch. And we extend, we crunch. Good, and we extend, we crunch in, and we reach long. We crunch in, and we reach. Good, let's do 4. Get long. 3, reach forward. 2, 1 more, hold it out there. Good, release. Now flip over onto that back. So a very similar movement, except we're gonna do it on our back in reverse tabletop. So instead of being on our hands and knees, we're on our back, creating the same shape. So reach your arms up. We're gonna extend right leg long, left arm overhead. Exhale in and switch. So this exercise is known as dead bug. The low back should be pulling down the whole time you're moving, stimulating the stomach to stay firm and strong as you do this. And then again, find that breath. Good, reach and bring it back. Reach and bring it back. Nice, let's do 8 together. 7, if the back hurts, you tap the knee, you bring it in. You tap the knee, you bring it in, all right? Last 4, keep one arm in the air the whole time. 3, last 2, 1 more here, and 1. Good, stack everything, put the feet down. Now, pelvic tilt, grounding the tailbone. So drawing the tailbone down, so a slight posterior tilt looks like this. So your hands are here. Here's where your pelvis is anteriorly rotated, meaning the low back, you can see that, has space. So we want to get rid of that. We want to pull it down, okay? So take that tailbone, pull it down. Take your tailbone, pull it down. All right, now you got the hang of it. So crunch down, reach up, come down, reset, pull it down, lift, down, reset. Good, tuck, crunch, down, 1, tuck, crunch, down, 2, tuck, crunch, down, 3, tuck, crunch, down, 4 more, tuck, crunch, down, 1, tuck, crunch, down, 2, pull that down, crunch, Last one, tuck, lift, down, and one. Nice job, guys. Go ahead and rock it on up. So you've started noticing how your spine can get involved. So I want you to stack your spine and you're gonna lift your chest forward. So we don't wanna be rounded, all right? So this is called your kyphosis of the spine. So you wanna be a stacked neutral spine so the chest is elevated. Now reach the arms forward. Good. If you feel comfortable, you're gonna raise one foot and maybe both. And if that hurts your back, keep your knees down and just lean back a little bit. Now I know your spine isn't gonna be fully straight and that's fine. Good. This is called boat pose in yoga. So hold here. Good. That isometric hold. Again, you can hold your legs for support. You can put your hands next to you too. You're here for 4, 3, 2, and now let's bring those hands together. Exhale, twist right, come through center. Twist left, come through center. To make it easier, feet down, center, side, center. Good. Twist, center, twist. 4 more each side. So right, center, left, 1. Right, center, left, 2 more. Right, center, left, last one. Right, center, left, and hold. Put those feet down if you need to. 5, super strong. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Round the spine slightly forward. Exhale, flip it over, hands and knees. Good. High plank for the first time. So what I want you to do here is slide the right foot back and then the left foot back. So if this is your first time doing plank in a while, make sure the butt is not here and make sure the hips aren't here, okay? Lift. So if you're with a buddy in your house, be sure to be aware what their hips are doing so they're not doing it wrong. Good. Breathe. Now we started with single arm, single leg, and it looked just like this. We lifted and we brought it down, except we were on our knees, right? So let's try it from here. Lift, down, lift, down. Give me one more. Lift and down. If that was really hard, drop your knees. Side 2, lift, lower, lift, lower. Find neutral. Don't lean to the side. Last one. Good. Bring it down. Take another deep breath in. Drop the right forearm. Drop the left. So now you're in a pose called forearm plank. So this exercise engages the shoulders, the core, and you can do so many different movements from here. So stay with me. You're here for 4, 3, 2. Take another deep breath in. Try to raise one leg. Hold it. Good. Put it down. Try to raise the other leg. Hold it. Put it down. Now straighten your right arm, which we put down first, then your left. We got to be even on both sides. We're going left, we're going right, and we're holding. Good job, guys. You're almost done with day 1. So notice, was it easy? Awesome. Maybe hit play and do it again. If it was hard, then good job. Way to work, way to challenge yourself. Straighten left, straighten right. Each day is going to get a tad bit harder so you can get stronger. Nice job stabilizing that core. You're here for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knees down. Awesome job, guys. That was day 1. You killed it. We have 6 more days to go. Commit every day in a row. Let's do this. Feel free to restart. Do this again. Get another about 8 minutes, 9 minutes in, or you're good for today. Nice job, guys. Thanks for doing it.